Welcome IEL Texas families. In this video, I will walk you through logging in to Family Access, as well as selecting and submitting your program model for the upcoming school year. I will start by locating the Family Access login page by using our IEL Texas website, ieltexas.org. Click on the Skyward button located on the top right menu bar. Once you click on the link, you will see our Skyward menu options. Please click on the Family Access link. This will take you to our Family Access login page. You will be prompted for your login ID and password. If you do not recall or have forgotten your password or ID, click on the Forgot Your Login/Password. The Skyward Forgotten Login Password Assistance page will display. Enter the email that was used to register your child and click Submit. An email will be sent to you. If you do not receive the email with assistance to set your new login credentials, please contact our district office or your child's campus. Once you're logged in, you will click on the Online Forms button located on the left-hand side of the page. This will then allow you to click on the Fill Out Form link that'll be located for each child. If you are the parent guardian of multiple children, you will need to scroll down and click this button to fill out your selection for each one of your children. Once I select that button, I will see a menu on the top right that allows me to click on Step 1, titled 2020-21 Program Options. By clicking this button, I am able to view my 3 options as well as a description of those 3 program models that are offered by IEL Texas. I may also expand my screen so that I'm able to view the screen in a bigger window. Once I select my option, either option 1, 2, or 3, I will just click, as an example, option 1. I will press on the button that says complete step 1 only. I can do that by clicking the button here, or in some windows, I may find that button if I'm not looking at a full screen at the bottom of the page. Once I complete this button, it'll allow me to see a green check mark that says I've completed step 1. I can then go on to the next step, which will allow me to submit the selection to the district office. I will click now on the next step button. This button now allows me to press Submit 2020-21 Program Model Options, and I will get a verification that states that I've successfully completed and submitted to the district on today's date, July 16th, as well as the time that my answer was recorded. This concludes our tutorial on how to log in to Family Access and record your selection for the program model. Thank you for choosing IEL Texas, and we look forward to welcoming you for this upcoming 2020-2021 school year.